season, I love mangoes and I also love mango jam. So today we are going to make mango jam with only 3 ingredients. Smashed mangoes, sugar and lemon juice. Let's see how to make it. First we will add the 300 grams of mango puree. Now we will add the 200 grams of sugar. Now we have to mix it until it's thoroughly mixed. It should be in medium flame. The sugar should be mixed in well. We have to have a thick consistency.
Now it has been 5 minutes since we've started. To make the jam, it will take about 15 to 17 minutes. Now it's time to add a pinch of salt and lemon juice. Salt helps to balance the sweetness, while lemon acts as a preservative and enhances the taste. Then keep mixing the content in medium flame till it reaches a thick consistency. It has almost been 15 minutes now. Time to check the consistency. Put a small amount of jam on a tray. Check if the jam leaves any water residue. The jam should not leave any water residue. Then cool it and put it in an airtight container. You can also store it in the refrigerator. And you're good to go. The jam will taste really nice.